Okay guys, so kuna L506 ameuliza if you can actually create a bot that trades bulk that has entry point. It's actually very easy, and I'm going to show you. So once you are on naivetrader.com right here, just head to advanced speed bots, and then we have the default bot. This is the default one, so I'll just modify this and I'll show you guys how we can actually use it as bulk. So the first place, we have the volatility is already set. Now the trade definition, I don't know what you want to trade, but for the trade definition, I'll leave it as like over 2. And then risk manager, by default it's split martingale. I'll use martingale. And then these are the settings, so you can actually modify the multiplier or the stake. You can modify any of the two. And then now we have strategy. I'll add the OR group here. And then for the entry point, I'll select this algorithm, entry point pattern. As you can see, we have a pattern here. So you can actually say even your entry point can be over 2 or under 8 or even a specific digit. So I'll use, in this case, I'll use something like 5, like that. Once that is set, I'll just collapse this part, but it's already active. As you can see, it's active since we have a strategy here. And then if I want take profit or stop loss, I'll click here and then activate it and then add my TP or my stop loss. For now, I'll not add the TP or stop loss, like that. Once I'm done with that, so for example, I want to place like 10 trades, 10 different trades like bulk. So I'll click here, add new market, add new market, add new market. All these market will have the same settings as market 1. Add new market, like that. So all of them will have the same settings. Let's even check. We have the trade definition is over 2, and let's check at the strategy. As you can see, the strategy and our entry point. But I can also change if I don't want to trade. If I don't want to trade the same markets, but I want to trade them in bulk, and I don't want to trade the same market at once, I can actually come to this market and change the market itself. But for that, you realize that market switcher appeared here. So I have to activate some things on market switcher so that all these trades can actually be executed at once. So I'll come here where I have market switcher, click on it, and then enable switcher. This is the market switcher, and then we have switch after loss. So I'll click on loss, and then I'll click on push once, like that. And then I'll click push once, and then if I want like each of them to have individual stake, I don't want to like so that market 2 will have its will share the stake with market 1. I want each of them like to have its own stake, and if it loses, it will martingale on its own. It will not depend on everything. I'll turn this off. I'll just turn this off, like that. So these are the settings on the market switcher. Those are the settings on market switcher. Once I'm done with this, so you can actually add as many markets as you want right here. It will be just be copying market 1 so that you can actually change. And there we have these markets, and then it's push once right here. And then I'll just download the bot and I'll name it bulk advanced. I'll even put this the specific bot on the site. I'll actually put this on the site. We have bulk advanced. Let me just put here a capital letter so that you can have bulk advanced, like that. Then I'll save it. You can see saved successfully. As simple as that. Save, yeah, saved. It's saved. So I'll actually put that bot on the site. The moment you'll be watching this video, the bot will already be available on the site with that specific name. So you can modify it the way you want. It's actually that simple. Remember, trade using naivetrader.com.